Join me as I dive deep into the world of YouTube to find out which category actually rakes in the most cash. Have you ever wondered which YouTube category brings in the most revenue? I mean, it's a question that can make or break a creator's decision to focus on a particular niche. After all, who wouldn't want to earn a decent living from their passion? But before we dive into the answer, let's set the context. With over 500 hours of content uploaded every minute, YouTube has become a goldmine for creators. But the reality is, not all categories are created equal when it comes to monetization. Choosing the right niche is crucial for creators, especially when they're just starting out. It can be overwhelming, with so many options available. And let's be honest, profitability plays a huge role in that decision. I mean, who wants to put in all that effort and not see a decent return? But here's the thing, many creators prioritize their passion over profitability, only to realize later that it's not as lucrative as they thought. That's why it's essential to understand which categories have the potential to generate the most revenue. Moreover, many aspiring creators assume that the most popular categories are the most profitable. But is that really the case? Do categories like gaming and beauty really bring in the most cash? Or are there other hidden gems that can help creators rake in the dough? The answer might surprise you. But before we reveal the answer, let's explore some of the most popular YouTube categories and see how they stack up in terms of revenue generation. Gaming, for instance, is a multi-billion-dollar industry, with top gamers earning millions from their channels. But what about beauty and fashion? These categories are incredibly popular, with millions of viewers tuning in daily for makeup tutorials and product reviews. And then there are education and vlogging, which have become increasingly popular in recent years. Gaming channels like PewDiePie and Markiplier have made millions from their ad revenue and sponsorships. In fact, the gaming industry as a whole has seen a significant surge in revenue in recent years, with the global gaming market projected to reach $190 billion by 2025. But when it comes to beauty and fashion, channels like Nikki Tutorials and Shane Dawson have also made a killing from their ad revenue and endorsement deals. Education channels like Crash Course and ASAP Science have also seen significant growth, with millions of students tuning in for educational content. In vlogging, well, vlogging has become a way of life for many creators, with channels like David Dobrik and Liza Koshy earning millions from their daily vlogs. But despite their popularity, do these categories really bring in the most revenue? As it turns out, there's one category that consistently ranks the highest in terms of revenue generation, and it might not be what you expect. According to recent data, the category that rakes in the most cash on YouTube is personal finance. That's right, channels focused on personal finance, investing, and wealth building have seen a significant surge in revenue in recent years. Take creators like Dave Ramsey and Graham Stephan, for instance, who have built massive followings by sharing their expertise on personal finance and wealth building. These channels have become go-to destinations for people looking to improve their financial literacy and manage their money effectively. And the best part? They're making a killing from their ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. So, what can we learn from this? Well, for one, it's clear that choosing the right category is crucial for creators who want to monetize their content. Profitability matters, and understanding which categories have the potential to generate the most revenue can make all the difference. So, what do you think? Are you surprised by the results? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other video on optimizing your YouTube channel for better earnings. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.